screwed my audio recording up twice. One time, the first time I forgot what I did wrong. The second time, I didn't even have the audio on. But we're here at the Resaw. We talked about in the live feed there. I was going to show you some of our gizmos we got going. We've been working on a bunch of little knickknacks to try to smooth this thing out to where it has less downtime and less wrecks. The yellow thing you're seeing down there by the stop gates, we added that for a safety gate because we've been having some get on the floor back here, because if it gets out of their crossways, it can miss the gate and then part of it be on, and then next thing you know, when the sweeps drop, then off the end of the roll case it goes. Should have had that done years ago, but we just got a lot of stuff going on. So just now getting to it. And what Scotty's doing here now, he's pretty fresh on the turning station, and they're not setting any records this morning. We're just kind of doing smooth flow. But he's looking, we're sawing Linwood, and it's light both in color and in weight. And I think we're just sawing uppers. I think it's just FAS, one face, and one common. But I'd have to check to see. I don't think we're doing any 2 and 3 in Linwood here, or Basswood. You see the yellow piece there, the bright yellow piece? We added that too, because we had some getting me stuck behind that fence and you had to come out. See that pry bar sticking in that slot over there? We'd have to pry bar them over. So we just now got to fixing that. Now some of that, you see that fuzzy cant with the plug pulled out of it? See how far down it's going? Then photocells that kicks that sweep over, it thinks that fuzz is actual more length in the can. So that's why it's sliding down so far. The roll case you're seeing spinning there, well, I'm going the other end now. Eric, he's a good dude. I worry about him. I say, you know, that spot right there where Eric's at, you got to watch your fingers. And I tell him all the time, I say, tear me up if you get a finger smash in there. Just be careful. Stay focused. And usually your more quick-witted, focused individual ends up in that spot. That's a fun spot to work, but you got to be on the ball. But he's a good one for the job. He's a good man. Both these guys you're watching here, Scotty and Eric, they are both, they're both fairly new at the job, but they're both quality people. So I have high expectations of them over time. I think we got us one heck of a crew going, man. I can't. Oh man, I can't. Everybody's got their problems. Hell, I got problems too. You know, everybody's got their personal hang-ups, but all in all, we got one heck of a crew going. I don't know how we deserve this, but we've got us a good crew going. See how them roll cases spin a little slower right there, right before the sweeps jump up? We slowed them rollers down to where when the weight of the cant gets to that roll case right there, see how that roll you just barely see in the picture? Hey, it's spinning faster than them others. And Brutus strikes again. I guess I had this hose kinked too hard, and the motor shakes more than a guy realizes. And oh, popped him right there. It's great news. Great, love it. I was staying too dry today. I figured I need to get sweaty and hydraulic oily. Anyways, heading back to Rinky Dinks to get another freaking hose made. Done, old buddy. Looks like he's having him a happy old day.
swear if this buncher don't start straightening up, I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. I think I'm gonna have to get me a therapist. What do you think, old buddy? Daggone Nissan sounds like a Dodge. Oh man, I'm gonna be the third in line. I'm sure you'll have all I need, though. I like this old boy in here. I think everybody likes him. He's got one heck of a personality. This is the gambling boat down here. I've never been here. Number one since day one. Horseshoe, whatchamacallit, Casino Valet. There's a, daggone, it's a boat. It's a gambling boat. No kid. Casino Valet. Nice. That's a big old boat now. Where if that thing? I'm sure it just sits there. I'm sure it's just a dead building. Well, that's a big son of a bug. A lot of people taking their chances in there. Everybody's a winner. With my luck, I'd hate to gamble. We don't have any steep ground. Well, let's just take a look at that. Well, you can't see it. All this whole ridge down through here, they're steep all around the riverfront. It's just like a plateau that falls off in the river, and they're steep all through these knobs. Man, that's been barricaded. That's been a rock slide. But we just try not to log that much. Usually when you're hard up, you gotta log steep stuff. But when you ain't hard up, let it go. He's ripping her up. Big Daddy's back there finishing. Trying to get this put together. Rain's coming tonight. Everybody's wanting to get this thing finished up. Roger Junkie's working the boom out. I don't know if they're in first gear or second gear. Huh. If we ain't careful, we're gonna get this thing in a speed bubble. Get it down here like that. Like on no motorcycle. Let's see if I can get out behind Roger and push on him. Maybe I can push on Roger and he can push on Junkie and we can get out of first gear. It is a soft son of a bug. It's got traction on top because of the dust, but it is soft. It's just a transmission rear end eating son of a guy. Come on. Oh, we're getting after it. Oh man, I'm bellied out. Let's see if I can push on Raji. He's focused. He's concentrating. Come on, Raji. Let's go. Come on, Mitchell. I'm going to put that right through the radiator here, fine, careful. He can't even feel me bumping him. That's the last piece. So, highway equipment, everything else can come out in a little bit of rain. Pull up every side black if you can, Junkie, and get up there pretty close to the end. You're the last rod out anyways. the front of that boom about to the front of the bumper on black, and that should be about right if we have to pick it up in the truck. I still got that injector clicking on that thing. I hadn't got that fixed. Roger's running good. I want someone to build swing wide when you get around your cars.
Hi.